Hello everyone, this is XhoTech. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can flip any video very easily. Okay, for both way horizontally and vertically. So I am using VSDC as my video editing software. Okay, so it is very easy to use and is free also. So if you don't know about VSDC, you can check my other video. Okay, where you will know how you can download it, install it, and how you can use it for the first time. Okay, so I have given a link in the description, you can check. So come to the point. So let's create one project here. Finish. Yes, so now let's add one sample video. So here you can add with this icon, you can click and you can add any sample video here. Okay, yes, the video is added now. Okay, I'm playing it. Yes, it is playing. So now let's flip it. So you can see these tools, cutting and splitting tool, and under this you can find this icon. This is showing more tools. Click on this arrow and you will find these two options. Let's horizontal flip. Yes, you can see it's get flipped. The video is totally gets flipped. Okay, you can do vertical flip also, like this. So sometime you might have some video that with this orientation and you want a quick fix, so you can use this method that can help you. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope this method has helped you a lot. Okay, so thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more such videos. So goodbye for now, see you on the next video.